Hi friend, today we have to discuss the bus zone protection. Bus means or bus bar means the main supply is connected to the bus bar and number of tappings is taken from the bus bar to distribute the power. Then we have to provide the protection to the bus bar by using differential current protection, high impedance relay scheme protection and frame leakage protection. The first method is differential current protection of bus bar. The operating principle is based on the Kirchhoff's current law, that is algebraic sum of current entering and leaving the bus bar zone must be 0 at normal operating condition, and whenever the fault is occurs, the algebraic sum of current will be not 0 and the relay will be operated. The main drawback of this differential scheme is the relay will be fails to operate for external fault. This is due to the saturation of the CT in the faulted feeder. When the CT saturates, the output is reduced and the sum of all the CT secondary current will not be 0. To overcome these difficulties, high impedance relay scheme is used for the protection of feeder. This is the second method, that is high impedance relay scheme for the protection of feeder. In this, a sensitive DC polarized relay is used in series with the tuning circuit, which makes the relay responsive only to the fundamental component of the differential current of the CTs. The tuning circuit makes the relay insensitive to DC and harmonics, thereby making it more stable on heavy external fault. To prevent excessive voltage on internal faults, see in the image non-linear resistance, that is thyroid, and high set overcurrent relay connected in series with the non-linear resistance are imploded. The high set relay provides the fast operation on heavy fault whenever the external fault will be occurs. This is the high impedance relay scheme. Then third one is the frame leakage protection. Already we have discussed the frame leakage protection of transformer. Here the bus bar enclosure, it is grounded through a wire and the bus bar enclosure is insulated from the earth, and whenever the bus enclosure is earthed, CT primary is connected and on the secondary side of CT overcurrent relay is connected. Whenever the earth fault will be takes place, the current is flowing through the CTs and it will be flows through the relay, and the relay will be operates and it protects the bus bar from the earth fault. Thank you friends. These are the different scheme for the protection of bus bar.